open Instagram. Then, click on your profile. Then, click on the three dots at the top. Then, scroll down. Then, click on Hide Story and Live. After that, select the person from whom you want to hide your story. Now, your story is hidden from everyone you selected. First, open Instagram. Then go to your profile. Then tap on the three lines at the top. Then scroll down. Then tap on Close Friend.
First, open Instagram. Then, click on Profile. After that, tap the three lines at the top.
First, open Instagram. Then, click on your profile. Click on the three lines at the top. Click on Time